Hello, my name is Aiman. I'm a medical doctor and a personal trainer. I believe that I can help differently. But how? I'm here to fill that gap between this and this. We doctors recommend you to eat healthy. Good gut microbes help in prevention of chronic illnesses like diabetes, obesity, and hypertension. But unfortunately, in the health centers, we don't have enough time in that narrow window of time to explain you in detail how to practically implement it in our daily lives. I believe that I can help you with that too.